How does biological function make a difference in my production systems? And it's that key tenet that soils are chemistry, structure and biology in pretty much equal measures, so to speak. It's like a three-legged stool. If this chair only had 3 legs, if those legs weren't evenly spaced, you know, the old three-legged stool, if they're not evenly spaced, the damn thing just falls over. Each leg has as big a role as the other legs do. And it's only really recently that science is finally getting to that point of the realization that biological function is as important as structure and as important as minerals, nutrients, and they all work together. And we as farmers need to harness sunlight through plants to make it work for us. The reason why my organic carbons were not increasing was simply because my soil biological function was so depressed from monocultural cropping, principally just with sugarcane, with one rotation of soybeans every 5 or 6 years, that there was not enough of the right kinds of biology in my soil to be able to take that organic carbon into the soil and process it and hold it in my soil. Instead